Assalamu alaikum students of class 8th. There is a new topic, a poem. Name is The Newcomer. Take out your book, students, page number 16. There is a poem, The Newcomer. I'll do the reading first and then I'll explain you. Okay? There is something new in the river. The fish said as it swam. It's got no scales, no fins and no gills, and ignored the impassable dam. There's something new in the trees. I heard a bloated thrush sing. It's got no beak, no claws and no feathers, and not even the ghost of a wing. There's something new in the warren, said the rabbit to the doe. It's got no fur, no eyes and no paws, yet digs deeper than we dare go. There's something new in the whiteness, said the snow-white polar bear. I saw its shadow on a glacier, but it left no paw mark there. Through the animal kingdom, the news was spreading fast. No beak, no claws, no feather, no scales, no fur, no gills. It lives in the trees and the water, in the soil and the snow and the hills, and it kills and it kills and it kills. It is composed by Brian Patton. Now let us know about the poet. Brian Patton was born in 1946 in Liverpool, England. He left school at 15 and joined a newspaper to write column about popular music. Through this column, he met other poets and made a name for himself as a poet. He has written many collections of poems for adults as a children and has made them immediately accessible to a wide audience by reading them himself in live performances. Patton's poems are a mix between the serious and the humorous. They have been translated into many European languages. His most popular collection include Gargling with Jelly, collection of poem 1985, The Blue and Green Ark, and Alphabet for Planet in 1999, and Juggling with Goebbels in 2000. All those are accomplishment of Brian Patton. Now students, come to the explanation of the poem. In the first stanza, Brian Patton wants to state that there might be a fish and it is swimming, but over here the poet is imagining it got no scales, no fins and no gills, and it is passing through a impassable dam. In the second stanza, there is something new in the trees. I heard a bloated thrush sing. Over here, the poet is discussing about a type of bird. In that bird, we can't find any beak, no claws, no feathers. So it might be a ghost of a wing over there. In the next stanza, there is something new in the warren. Over here, the poet Brian Patton is discussing about the rabbit and the deer. So it's got no fur, no eyes and no paws, yet digs deeper than we dare go. In the next stanza, there is something new in the whiteness, said the snow-white polar bear. Over here, the poet Brian Patton is discussing about a white polar bear who is surviving over there in the glacier, and but in its survival, it can't we can't find out the paw mark, means footprint over there of that snow white polar bear. Through the animal kingdom, the news was spreading fast. Over here, the poet want to express that all these animals were surviving happily over there in their places or in the jungle, and there they got a news over there. It lives in the, it might be a human being who want to hunt those animal over there in the jungle, so that man or that human being is a newcomer for the animal kingdom, for those animals, those who are living in the jungle. So that human being is a newcomer for them. Okay, got the idea, students? Now students, what you have to do, take out your literature copies and start writing the work. First of all, you have to make the title page in the beginning of this chapter, title page. Okay, then draw margin in between the paper and classified it into words and meaning with the blue black pointer. Words number 1, bloated, and the meaning is much bigger than desired. Second is thrush, a type of bird. Third is not even the ghost of, not even the rightest trace of. Number 4 is warren, an area where rabbit lives in burrows. And number 5th is doe, a female deer is the meaning. Okay student, leave the remaining page, start with the next page. Put the heading at the next page about the central idea. Okay, central idea of this poem, The Newcomer. The poem The Newcomer is composed by Brian Patton. This poem is about the curiosity of animals who have found a new creature among them. He is a human being. They describe this human that he is a killer. They have a feeling of terror and fear because of this killer. Over here in this poem, student, it is discussing about the animal kingdom, those who are living in jungle and they are leading a very happy life, we can say, and they are very rejoyous with their life and leading a very humorous way of living. Now student, what you have to do, you have to complete your previous chapter, that is A Shot in the Dark, and class 8 your checking day is the Wednesday. You have to bring your copies positively on Wednesday. A Shot in the Dark chapter is completely done by me last week, and in this week I will complete this poem, The Newcomer. Today I had provide you the reading, explanation, words meaning and the central idea. In my next lecture I'll provide you the short questions, long questions, or we can say summary also if it is needed in this poem, and fill in the blanks plus sentences of this poem. So student, you have to complete this with me as I am instructing you. You have to use black pointer for questions and blue ink pen for the answers, and complete your work positively and give me the checking of this work on Wednesday between 9 to 12 timing. We the teachers of your school are available in the school from 9 to 12 timing from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, but for 8th class you have to be there on Wednesday. So your checking day is the Wednesday, student. Okay students, stay blessed and stay healthy. Complete your work and bring it for correction. I'll be there for you. Stay blessed, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.